In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove ban from Steam profile. Before getting into the support section, it's important to understand that the answer depends entirely on the type of ban or restriction showing on your Steam account. Not every ban can be removed, and Steam handles each one differently. If it's a VAC ban, which stands for Valve Anti-Cheat, that type of ban is permanent when it has been correctly applied. Users cannot remove it themselves, and Steam support typically will not reverse it. If it's a game ban, that decision is usually controlled by the developer of that specific game, not Steam directly. If it's a community ban and you believe it was placed on your account by mistake, you may be able to appeal it through Steam support. And if what you're seeing is a profile restriction or warning, that may sometimes expire automatically depending on the reason behind it. With that in mind, the next thing you'll want to do is check your account status so you can clearly identify what kind of restriction you're dealing with. This is a helpful starting point because the wording on Steam matters. A VAC ban, a game ban, and a community restriction may look similar at first, but they are handled in very different ways. Knowing the exact status will save you time and help you understand what options are actually available. To do that, open Steam and go to the Help menu at the top. From there, choose Steam Support. This will take you into the support area where Steam provides account-related information, restriction details, and possible next steps depending on the issue attached to your profile. If you're signed in already, this process is usually very quick and easy to follow. Once you're inside Steam support, select My Account. In that section, review any restrictions, warnings, or bans associated with the account. Read the information carefully, especially any explanation Steam provides about why the restriction was applied and whether it is temporary, permanent, or reviewable. This is the key part of the process because it tells you whether you're dealing with something that can be appealed, something that may expire on its own, or something that cannot be removed. If Steam indicates the restriction can be appealed, follow the support instructions shown there. If it says the ban is permanent, then that means there isn't a user-side fix available. The most important thing is to verify the type of ban first, so you know exactly what you're working with and what to expect. That's how to check and understand a ban on your Steam profile.